How to fix the unable to initiate call, please try again error on WhatsApp for iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the unable to initiate call, please try again error on WhatsApp for iPhone. So if you are facing this issue while trying to make a WhatsApp call, don't worry, I've got you covered. So just follow these quick and easy steps to fix it. And without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the settings, and once you have opened the settings, simply tap on Wi-Fi. And here check that you are connected with a strong Wi-Fi. And after that, go back to the settings, and from here simply scroll down and tap on General. And once you are in the General section, simply scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. And here, if you are connected with a VPN, simply disconnect it to avoid any restrictions. And after that, go back to the General tab, and from here, simply scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset, and from the pop-up menu, simply tap on Reset Network Settings. And once you're done with that, simply go back again to the General tab, and from here, simply tap on Date and Time. And here in this section, make sure to turn on Set Automatically Time Zone option. And once you're done all with that, you can simply exit the Settings app on your iPhone and open the App Store. And once you have opened it, simply search for WhatsApp and check if there is any update for WhatsApp. If there is, you simply need to update it, as update can sometimes fix bugs and glitches. And after that, you can simply exit the App Store and open the settings again. And as earlier as it was closed in the General tab, here you can simply tap on iPhone storage. And once you are here, simply scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. And once you are in the WhatsApp settings, simply offload the app. And that's it. By following these steps, now you should be able to make a WhatsApp calls without any issues. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.